Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to crochet the triple pom-pom. So let's get started. I have some cotton yarn and I have crochet hook size G. You can use any yarn and any crochet hook you want. So let's make 7 chains for the start. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Now single crochet into every chain, to the end, chain 1 and turn. Now single crochet into the first stitch from the hook and into the next one. And now for the triple pom-pom. Chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 4 double cluster into the third stitch from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, and our first double cluster, yarn over, insert the hook, pull through 2. This is our first double cluster. Now the second one, yarn over, insert the hook and pull through 2. And again, and this is the last one. Now yarn over and pull to all 5. Now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. 4 double clusters into this stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. Again yarn over, insert the hook and pull through 2. And again, and the last one, yarn over and pull to all 5. And now fold over. You can do the pom-pom like this or like this. Let's do it like this and see. Insert the hook not in this stitch but in this one and slip stitch. Now for the second pom-pom, chain 1, then chain 3 and 4 double cluster into the third stitch from the hook. 1, 2 and 3. So yarn over, insert the hook and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. This is our first double cluster. Now the second one, third, and the last one. And again, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, 4 double cluster into this stitch here, yarn over, insert the hook and pull through 2, yarn over, insert the hook, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the hook and pull through 2. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all 5. Now I'll show you the other way to make the pom-pom. So this time fold, oh no, because I don't like it here. Let's do this again, this way. Fold over and insert and slip stitch, not in this stitch but in this one. We have 2 pom-poms, and let's make another one. Chain 1 and chain 3, 4 double cluster into the third stitch, 1, 2, 3, one, 2, 3, and the last double cluster here. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over and pull to all 5. Now chain 3 and 4 double cluster into this stitch, yarn over, insert the hook and pull through 2. Yarn over, insert the hook and pull through 2, and again we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over, pull through all 5. And now let's fold not this way but this way and slip stitch from the back, not in this one but in this one here, and slip stitch. And to finish our triple pom-pom, let's slip stitch into the 1, 2, 3, third stitch from our starting chain. So this will look better. Now chain 3 and skip 1, 2, 3, slip stitch into the next and single crochet, into the last stitch. And this is how we make triple pom-pom crochet. Please let me know if you like this video. Follow me, like, subscribe, and I promise you more videos are on the way. Thank you. Bye.